I ain't gonna lie, we had this little thing right now, you feel me? It's too much music around, so I can't even, oh, my camera is trash. Too much music around, so I can't even really, you know what I'm saying, do nothing with the music. But I am gonna record the cars, facts. So what y'all about to see right now is a whole bunch of clips of the cars, little B-roll, you feel me? To start the video off. Stop playing. Hey, legal pick, after this, we about to go to legal pick after that, you know what I'm saying? Listen, hey, my intro is not usually how it be introing, but you know what I'm saying, forget it. This is gonna be the introduction. Facts. Legal pick coming soon. Facts. After this B-roll, facts. I ain't gonna cat, know what I'm saying? We outside, facts. You know what I'm saying? We out this bit, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, hold up. Legal pick action. Hold up, let me get right here. Get right here. What the heck is that? Got some fat shit out here on game. Straight fatty whiteys. Fatty whiteys. On yappity. Fatty whiteys. Oh shit. Scared me. Fatty whiteys. How you feel about how you feel about what you know what I'm saying?
It's some shit out here.
And we got Bobo with us, factual.
No te pegué un tiro ni que te hagan algo. No, y se montaron arriba de un camión.
got this on Snap. I have not been talking to the vlog at all, but listen, I'm gonna start talking to the vlog because look, my phone just died. And I'm about to turn my phone up in the car right now. My phone had just died, you feel me? So I'm about to put it on the charger and I'm about to now saying be tuned into the video. Facts. You know what I'm saying? Cause listen, it's lit. You know what I'm saying? And I ain't like this is freaky neat, bro. They was over there, like they had little kids humping the car, humping the Hellcat. Like what's going on? But now though, we about to see what it is. Facts. You know what I'm saying? We about to go back. I know y'all hear that. Y'all see the smoke. I know y'all see the smoke in the air. What? Oh. Okay. Yeah, let me see that. Let me see that. Let me see that. Okay. Now we about to go back to the pit, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? Listen, I gotta walk all the way through traffic, you know what I'm saying? I got, you know what I'm saying? Yo, I got these things on, you feel me? I ain't gonna lie, you know what I'm saying? My feet hurt, bro. Is it a bike right here, bro? Trying to wait? Bro, what? Bro, straight tweaking. I ain't gonna cap. Bro, tweaking. You know what I'm saying? But I wonder, look, one thing I wonder what everybody that's over here, I wonder how they feel about, you know what I'm saying, what's going on right now. Like, I be wondering, like, how they be feeling right now about what's going on. You feel me? I don't know. Hey, how you think, like, how do you think random civilians that drive by, how do you think they feel about what's going on? What do you think?
I would stop by if I was a regular civilian.
You'll stop by?
Yeah, I'll stop by.
Yeah, I'll stop by
I'll be
too.
like, hey, what's going on? And if they don't let me in, I'll call the police.
Oh. That bitch was on fire on game. That bitch was on fire. They put that bitch out quick though. Thanks. They put it out quick. Oh, it's still on the bottom. Go back, guys. We're gonna break this shit on game. We're gonna break this shit. Tweaking. They were about to end it because somebody was fighting and shit, or they was almost fighting, I guess. But now it's starting back up now. So look. Bubble again, bubble, bubble. He did crazy, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Now here go. Right up. I got scared. He gonna fit. You gotta put his head out the window. Hey, stick his head out the window.
She gonna drop her phone.
Got a late. Fuck. It's all right there. She gonna drop it.
How much you want to bet?
Is that how the best you drop One thing I hate the most is thoughts. What's the one thing you hate the most?
Thoughts.
Nah, for real. And guess what? What kind of thoughts the most? Corn thoughts. Corn thoughts. How I feel to be famous, Bobo? How I feel to be famous? How I feel to get shown all the love in the world? Can I get some of your love? Not your love, but no, the love that you be getting. Okay, bet. Nice talking to you. I ain't gonna lie, know what I'm saying? Pully boy. The boys came. Bobo.
He the real security, you know what I'm saying?
Nah, for real,
Pop, 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 pop.
Hey, look. How you pop? Oh, what the fuck is that? Crazy ass.
Man, the bed doesn't cover.
Crazy ass undercover. What the fuck? I ain't never seen that in my life. Hey, ain't cat. That get behind me. Hey, what you doing? That police always get behind you.
Him?
Yeah.
I'm taking off in my car.
Stop the cap.
I'm taking off in my car.
Cap.
If you know what I drive,
What you doing to get behind you?
huh?
What you doing if they get behind you?
I'm gas.
Okay. Nah, for real though.
Cap.
Another one. We got a crazy on the car. I ain't never seen this in my life.
Uber. They llegó el Uber, papi.
Cover out here.
Her small ass got in the truck. And then the big ass inside's got a fucking minivan. You never catch me driving the big.
Undercover though. That one not. Bro, I had my thing on low the whole time. I had my thing on low the whole time, bro. Y'all probably couldn't even hear nothing I was saying, bro. Blame it on him, bro.
My bad, yo. It was Bobo.
Yeah, Bobo.
All these fingers he got.
Nah, for real though. I ain't gonna lie. Know what I'm saying? But I'm trying to fix that, yo. Hopefully, you know what I'm saying? But. The police, look. So it's quiet time at 11 o'clock, right? So, know what I'm saying? Yeah, I don't know.
I need everybody out. Everybody out, please.
I went home and I got my.
I ain't gonna lie, it was cool. It was a cool night, you feel me? My battery on 1%, so y'all not gonna see what's happening tonight, you feel me? Y'all not gonna see anything else that's happening, but this is gonna be the end, you feel me? So listen, that is the end, my guy. Oh my God, this don't sound good. This don't sound good. Sound good. Hey, that's the end. No, you know what I'm saying? So with that being said, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna tune y'all in later on. Just follow me. With that being said, I'm saying, yeah, we gonna tune y'all in, I'm saying, a different time. Facts, y'all. Wow. I'm deciding to actually end it off, you know what I'm saying, at the gas station. Decided to actually end it off at the gas station, bro. No yappity. Bro. God, I'm going, you know what I'm saying, it's crazy out here. Crazy out here. It's crazy out here. Look at my baby though. Hold on. I just cleaned my window. You know what I'm saying? My baby look fine. My baby bad. Stop playing her. Bad. I'm about to fix them auto glow lights. The auto glow lights not it. You feel me? But you know what I'm saying? My baby look bad. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? Look. Got to know what I'm saying? Look. My tent got completed. You feel me? I got the 25 on the front. You know what I'm saying? 5% on the side. 5%. Don't I fuck this shit up right here though.